हेलो एवरीवन। ये राना फाइज है, वॉक पे जा रहा है। हेलो। Hey guys, so going there. Oh, wow. Oh my god. See? You see? Oof. The nature is awesome, man. Awesome. You cannot compete in any way with the nature, and no one can compete, man. That's Allah Almighty. So beautiful. Can't compare anything of nature. Can't compare, man. It's so fantastic, man. So fantastic. Just love these. Going to take a shot. Have a look upon this once, and now I will show you the picture shot by me. Hey everyone, what's up? So as you can see, the sun is rising up and the rays are becoming brighter. Even the sky is going to shine, and these birds have my heart, man. This camera cannot capture the pixel of eyes that Allah Almighty have given us. It's a huge blessing. Not only this camera, any camera in this world can't capture this beauty, man. It's just fabulous, fantastic. I have no words to explain this. If I can write a poem on this, I will surely write, man. Surely. You can't see anything more beautiful here than this. The birds are just enjoying the morning, and these clouds are making this scene more beautiful, man. More beautiful. It's just lovely. Everything has my heart, bro. The title of this poem will be A Day to the Gym. Can you see, guys? Can you see? They are just flying joyfully, man. They do not have any worry, man. Flying joyfully, and I am enjoying more than them. That scene is awesome, man. Awesome. Oh, and the most important thing, you know, what are they looking for? They are looking for fishes. Let me show you the fishes that are afraid of them, and they are jumping outside the pool, have died there. Let me show you. Have a look upon this. The nature is awesome, man. Awesome. You can't compete in any way with it. Can't. I'm just telling you, God has gifted us the eyes that cannot compete with any camera. Any camera cannot compete with this nature of Allah. It's a huge blessing, guys. So whenever you take the name of Allah, just say shukr alhamdulillah for everything He has given us, for everything. Oh, so going to the gym, becoming late from there. If I would have more time, I'll surely stay there for too long. Hey guys, what's up? So the people who argue that White German Shepherd exist, I just wanna tell them that's not, bro. That's not White German Shepherd. It's called Swiss Shepherd. And there it is. I have shown you. That's not White German Shepherd. That's a Swiss Shepherd. It looks 99% like German, but that's not German. German is anything else, man. Thank you. When you guys see this type of things, there are only few words that comes in the mind. फबी अय्यालाए रब्बी गुमा तुकज़्ज़िबान, और तुम अपने रब की कौन कौन सी नेमत को जुटलाओगे. सुभान अल्लाह. सुभान अल्लाह. When you guys see this type of things in the morning, there are only few words that come in the mind, and that are फबी अय्यालाए रब्बिकुमा तुकज़्ज़िबान, सुभान अल्लाह, और तुम अपने रब की कौन कौन सी नेमत को जुटलाओगे. Just look at this amazing beauty, man. This is fabulous. I have no words to explain all these. Even I can't speak, man, right now. Oh my God.
मेरे दिल पे ऐसी छाई तू ही, तू मुझ में समाई, बन गई मेरी खुदाई बेलिया. दुनिया हो जाए पराई, ना देना मुझको रिहाई, अब तू भूलना जुदाई बेलिया.
So I was just having an amazing day today. In every hour there was a beautiful and very fantastic scene, but due to shortage of time. I can't capture all these, so we'll show you some. So basically today I have a lot of scenes to capture that Allah Almighty gave me in every few second, every few moment. Just due to shortage of time, can't capture all these, but short some I'll show you in my Insta stories in the next. So wait for it. Hey guys, what's up? Hope you all are good. So if you enjoyed the vlog, then do like, subscribe and share guys. Actually didn't edit any sound and song cause I have taken the name of Allah so many times. So that's why. So do like man. Thank you.